Did you know there's a continent on Earth where it hasn't rained in 2 million years? Welcome to Antarctica, the most extreme and mysterious place on our planet. Get ready for 10 unbelievable facts that will completely change how you see this frozen world. First up, let's talk about the cold. Antarctica is officially the coldest place on Earth. How cold? A mind-numbing minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 89.2 Celsius. That's a record that makes even the harshest winters elsewhere seem mild. Even in the so-called summer, the temperatures rarely get above freezing. It's so cold that your breath can freeze instantly in the air. Now for a real shocker. What if I told you that this icy continent is also the world's largest desert? It sounds impossible, right? But it's true. Antarctica is classified as a polar desert because it gets incredibly little precipitation. Some areas, known as the dry valleys, are so barren they haven't seen a drop of rain or a snowflake for an estimated 2 million years. It's a desert of ice, the driest continent on Earth. Here's another fact that puts our planet's resources into perspective. An astonishing 70% of all the fresh water on Earth is locked away in Antarctica's massive ice sheets. That's a staggering amount of water. If all that ice were to melt, global sea levels would rise by over 200 feet, which is about 60 meters. Imagine the impact that would have on coastal cities all around the world. It's a powerful reminder of how vital this continent is to our planet's balance. So who actually lives in this extreme environment? Well, nobody permanently. Unlike every other continent, Antarctica has no native population and no cities. The only people you'll find there are between 1,000 and 5,000 scientists and support staff who live temporarily at various research stations. They're dedicated individuals braving the harsh conditions in the name of discovery. But what lies beneath all that ice? This is where it gets truly fascinating. Scientists have discovered over 400 lakes hidden deep under the ice sheets. The most famous is Lake Vostok, a massive body of water that has been completely sealed off from the rest of the world for millions of years. What kind of life could have evolved in such an isolated ancient environment? It's one of the most exciting questions in science today, with the potential to reveal entirely new life forms. And the ice itself isn't static. It's constantly on the move. The vast Antarctic ice sheets flow slowly but surely towards the ocean, like colossal frozen rivers. They might only move a few meters each year, but when you consider the sheer scale of these ice masses, it's an incredible display of nature's power, constantly reshaping the continent. Think Antarctica is just ice and cold? Think again. It's also a land of fire. The continent is home to Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano on Earth. And that's not all. Scientists have found dozens of other volcanoes buried deep beneath the ice sheet. An active volcano under miles of ice is a mind-bending combination of fire and frost. Speaking of bizarre sights, have you ever heard of blood falls? It's a natural wonder that looks like something out of a horror movie. A waterfall flows from the tongue of a glacier, but the water is a shocking deep red. It's not actually blood, of course. The color comes from saltwater rich in iron oxide, basically rust. As the water hits the air, it oxidizes and turns red, creating this eerie and unforgettable spectacle. Now for a common misconception. What animal comes to mind when you think of polar regions? If you said polar bears, you're half right. But you won't find a single one in Antarctica. Polar bears live in the Arctic, at the North Pole. Antarctica is the kingdom of penguins, seals, and whales. So remember, penguins are South Pole, polar bears are North Pole. Finally, who owns Antarctica? The answer is no one. The continent is protected by the Antarctic Treaty, an incredible international agreement signed by over 50 nations. This treaty dedicates the entire continent to peaceful scientific research. There's no military activity, no mining, and no claiming of territory. It's a symbol of global cooperation, preserving one of the last true wildernesses on Earth for the benefit of all humanity. From hidden lakes to bloody waterfalls, Antarctica is a land of secrets and extremes. It truly is one of the most remarkable places on our planet. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey to the bottom of the world, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts and adventures. We'll see you in the next video.